Hey intellectuals, in this video we'll be understanding what is utilitarian theory. Let's get into the video. So what is the meaning of utilitarian theory? Jeremy Bentham has propounded this utilitarian theory. It states that greater good for the greatest number. This particular word utilitarian means social welfare. So this theory is essentially based on the fact that industrial progress and cultural goods together can promote a better and significant economic impact on the society. So there will be a significant impact on the society when there is industrial progress, and it will definitely benefit the people at large. So this is what this utilitarian theory is trying to stress upon. So if we take in case of this intellectual property, this theory is trying to emphasize that we have to encourage more invention and creations. So when there is more invention and creation, it will be helping in promoting the economic benefit of the society, and in turn it will promote or take care of the well-being of the people. So the well-being of the people will be taken care of because of this innovation and creation. This is what this utilitarian theory is trying to stress upon. This utilitarian theory is also known as incentive theory because this theory endorses the society's duty to respect the innovator's right. So this theory is again endorsing the fact that the society should respect the inventor's fact that he has the right to ownership. So this particular inventor has the right to ownership of his or her creation, and that particular creation is not only a source of profit for the creator. It is not just a monetary profit for the creator, but it is benefited. The society is indirectly benefited because of this creation of the inventor. So the particular ownership, the creation of the inventor is indirectly benefiting the society as whole. So this theory is called utilitarian theory. This is also known as incentive theory. Examples of IPR laws reflecting utilitarian principles. Patent term limits. This is the first example. By balancing the incentive to invent with the need for broader access to innovation, we are trying to emphasize the fact that we are encouraging the disclosure and we are preventing perpetual monopolies. So when there is a limited monopoly or prevention of monopolies, what will happen? The entire society will get benefited at large. The second example is fair use exceptions. In copyright law, we are allowing limited and non-commercial usage of copyrighted material without permission. Okay, we are recognizing the value of access for education and personal use, and also we have the right to criticize the work. So all these things come under the utilitarian theory. The third point is compulsory licensing provisions. So in IPR laws, we have compulsory licensing provisions. In specific circumstances, what the government can do? They can authorize the third parties to produce patented inventions to ensure that the essential medicines or the technology are accessible to the public. So again, what is happening? Because of all these things, the society will get benefited. Because of the patent term limits, the fair use exceptions, the compulsory licensing provisions, the society at large will get benefited. So this is the reflection of utilitarian theory. The utilitarian concept is being reflected under these IP concepts. Utilitarian theories, limitation and challenges. The first limitation here is balancing monopoly and access. So when this intellectual property rights are created, it will also create monopolies. So when monopoly is there, it will restrict the access to knowledge and innovation. So because of this restriction, what will happen? The consumers will be harmed and it will definitely hinder the future progress of the society. So what we have to do? We have to find a right balance between this monopoly and the public right. Okay, this private right and public right should be maintained and balanced properly. And the second issue here is fairness and equity. When this utilitarian concept is simply talking about the societal benefit we should not leave out the individual right and benefits also. We should not neglect the individual rights as well. So only when there is a balance between the individual right and the public right, there will be more innovation and the society will be benefited. Okay, this is what this fairness and equity is trying to stress upon. The final challenge here is enforcement challenges. So this effective enforcement of this intellectual property rights can be expensive and it is not easy. Definitely it will be complex. So without hindering the intended benefits, what we have to do? We have to apply this concept in the IP laws as well. So this enforcement challenges should be taken care of in this digital age. So this is a digital age. So in this age also, what we have to do? We have to maintain a smooth run between the balancing monopoly and access, the fairness and equity concepts. All these things should be enforced properly in this digital age as well. Hope you understood what is utilitarian theory. And the previous video we understood what is natural right theory as well. In the upcoming videos we'll be understanding the labor theory, personality theory, social planning theory and Schumpeterian theory as well. So please do hit the follow button and stay tuned with the Courtroom Intellectuals.